Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn a paper box. First of all, you have to take a square sheet paper piece of your favorite color, fold it into triangle shape twice, press well to have creases upon your paper. Now horizontally, repeat the same step from the other type too. Open it. Now fold the corner towards the center to have 4 small triangles on your paper. Done. Make sure the corners are equal to each other. Now from the center to upwards, from all 4 sides, turn the tip of the triangle. It will form a square shape at the center. Now fold it into a half. Then from the other side. Okay. Now press it well to have shape for creases, okay? Fold the corner to the edge of the small triangle. Open it. Alright, done. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You may use it as your jewelry box for small jewels like rings, necklaces, etc. Do these steps from the all 4 sides, okay? You may pause the video to catch up, or you may speed it up if it's easy for you, okay? From the other side. Okay, done. Now it has a mushroom-like shape and structure. Okay, now from the bottom, some typical steps. Watch carefully and repeat it on your own creativity, okay? From all 4 sides, the same steps, okay? Hope you are doing well. You may visit our channel to have the variety of boxes. Now we are preparing a base. Now open it and ta-da! It's done. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.